Hello everyone, today we are taking you to a very special park in Shenzhen. We are going to show you something you have never seen before. A massive park featuring a red bridge that extends 4 kilometers. It feels like walking on a mini version of the Great Wall but painted bright red. Come with us to explore this spectacular place together.
Hey guys, today in Shenzhen, I'm at this Hongqiao Park here. The reason why I bring you to see this Hongqiao Park is because it's got a 4 kilometers red color bridge here. Check it out. It seems like an endless bridge. It's amazing, isn't it? So do you think I should film a POV of this bridge for 2 hours for you guys? I think it's better not. So here along the bridge, you can see the beautiful view of the nature and different kind of attraction here. And a man-made lake, also different art structure. It's very interesting here. And since it's a 4 kilometers bridge within the nature, it's a great place for hiking as well. So if you're interested in hiking, you could come to this place. So let's not waste more time. Let's explore this place together. Let's go.
To get there, you can take Shenzhen Metro, Line 6 to Hongqiao Town Station. Get out from exit A, cross the bridge, go down, go to the bus stop, Hongqiao Cheng Metro Station. Take the bus B925 or B939 to stop North Square of Hongqiao Park. Get out of the stop, turn around and walk towards the opposite diagonal side to reach the park. When you reach the entrance of the park, you can see its massive size stretching far. At the entrance area, there is a place for roller skating. You cannot miss the symbolic red bridge. It is amazing that Shenzhen built this for hiking and leisure.
Let us walk up to the bridge. There's quite many steps here to begin with. Of course, you need to get fit in order to conquer this bridge here. I love GM. I love Grandmaster of Chess. Nah, it means I love Guangming, the place here, I think.
At the time I visited, there was a rope pulling competition taking place.
It's really unexpected they have a competition here, so it's really fun to watch it.
Shenzhen parks are full of activities, and people enjoy the vibrant life there.
In Shenzhen, the park, you could always see different kind of activities here. I just walked this bridge for like the first 10 minutes, but I feel that this is an endless bridge. I did research online. They said that there are many different attractions here.
Along the bridge, there are many selfie places where you can step out and take photos.
Behind me is one of the landmarks of this park. It's a huge clock here. I don't know why the time stops at 27 past 10. If you know, tell me in the comment section. Wow, can you believe this? This park has a machine to make those cafe latte. And the price is cheaper than those cafe in the city center.
Shenzhen parks offer different kinds of food and drinks, so you never need to worry. They even serve roasted duck inside the park. One unique feature of this park is the view of China's high-speed train going by.
Wow, I don't know how to explain that. I can feel the supersonic coming from the high-speed train. Just when I thought the bridge was over, look at that. That's the real bridge, not the one I just been to. I need to spend several days. But check out the beautiful view behind me.
Time to explore the building in this area. The building looks like a mix of cafe and art exhibition center.
Here might not be the most beautiful cafe I've ever seen, but it's surely the most relaxing cafe here. Check out the view. You could enjoy the beautiful bridge here.
From the observation place at the top of the building, you can see the lake beautifully.
Look at that. I'm sure I cannot finish the whole bridge within one day. The high-speed train moves so fast. I need to move my arms so quickly to catch up.
We are starting the hiking adventure. What a beautiful view! The lake and red bridge appear like an artwork. I have reached the place where people are practicing skateboard and roller skating. Let's enjoy the spectacular show.
Wow, do you see that? I think they're going to represent China in the Olympics in the future. I'm so jealous with the young people here. They have so many activities to do. Let's see if I could reach the tower over there. It looks pretty far away, and it's already 3:30 afternoon already. I think you could enjoy beautiful view at the tower over there, but it's a long distance away. The most beautiful view, you always have to work hard for it. Even the spider lady came to this place, so I think you need to come as well. I just leave the main bridge to the side track here. I think this road leads to the tower I was talking about. So let's see. Oh, I could. Oh, in front of me are people making movie. Check it out. Hey, 你好 ，Hello. Doing movie here. You're doing movie. Okay.
这么巧 ，Hello。
They are making movie here. I'm not sure it's a movie or advertisement, but it's great to see another crew making films here. I found it. I found a path to the tower. It's just walk and walk and walk. So you need to keep fit and bring some water. This place reminds me of the Lovers Walk in Hong Kong. And I was there, walk and walk and walk. And finally I find a rock there. But I cannot find my love there. Don't know what's that thing behind me. Anyway, it's time to do another walk to the tower. Why they build towers so tall, man? I'm so tired, man. Jeez. If you have followed my channel, many attractions in Shenzhen, especially the lateral one, you need to take a long walk. So let's keep walking. Oh man. Shenzhen is definitely for fit people. It's a test for me, isn't it? This city. I think I finally arrived at the top. Yay! Amazing view up here. It's definitely worth to come up here. You can enjoy a beautiful view of the sunset here. If you come back down to the bridge, you can see that the bridge is endless. I'm not sure where it leads to. I'm going to stop here because if I keep walking, it will get dark. There's a lot of side path here. If you come down to here, you can see that there's a rainbow trail. And there's a rainbow line to the left side. I don't suggest you go to the rainbow line. Look at that. Look at the rainbow trail. You need to be really careful. This is where the adventure begins. Look. I don't know where this path leads to. Let's explore it. This place actually reminds me of my previous video, the Guangming Farm. Check it out. I was filming the Guangming Farm during the Halloween and they have a Halloween party and decoration all over the farm, and it was pretty scary as well. I was alone there. Check it out. Check out the video when you have time. I come on a perfect day. Look at the shape of the cloud, and it formed with the water, becomes a perfect piece of art. Check it out. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel hkmytravel or visit our website hkmytravel.com. Thank you and see you next time.